In this video, I am going to show you how we can enable SMB encryption on Windows Server. So to enable the SMB encryption, SMB stands for Server Message Block. It is used for file sharing purposes. And why we need to encrypt the SMB? Because it will protect you from man-in-the-middle attacks, and it uses AES encryption to protect your data. So I have a share folder, this folder, and if I want to view the configuration of the encryption, I first go to PowerShell. We create the size. So here is the command that get SMB server configuration. So you can see here a lot of things. This is the main encrypted data. This is set up as false. So we need to enable this. So we can use this command set SMB server configuration. Data. So type yes, and this will enable the encryption on the server. So how to check now at SMB server configuration? I use a pipe single slab encrypted. So encrypted data is now true. You can also view it from the server manager. So why I have chosen PowerShell, because it is it has enabled this server. But if you go to the file and storage services, you have to enable it on a specific share. You go to the properties of the share and go to setting. So if this is not highlighted or you are unable to uh, check this button, it means that the encryption is enabled on the entire server. It is it, it is saying that when enabled, the mode file access to share will be encrypted. So in this way, you can enable the SMB encryption on Windows Server. Thanks for watching.